Hello, welcome to Tech Discovery. Basically, what we do here is that we go out there to make an extensive research on how to make money online. And when we get this stuff tested and trusted, bring it forward to the public to benefit. So, if you're new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my beautiful and awesome content, YouTube will be able to notify you so that you will miss out. So, today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make real money online. This stuff has been tested and trusted, and it's actually legit. Please just watch this video from the starting to the end so that you will miss out, you get the whole step. Okay, let's just quick start the whole thing. You see, this is premise. As you can see, it's actually a survey app where they give you surveys to answer, and guess what, it's for everyone, irrespective of any part of the world you are from. It's for you, it's for everyone, like I mean everyone worldwide. So just watch this video. As you can see, I'm having the survey right now, civic and political participation. So as you can see, this is the survey right now. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be teaching you guys just how to withdraw the money from the survey app. But maybe subsequently in the other video I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to answer the survey, how to get the survey, the time it counts and everything. So just go check the about of this channel and go join my Telegram group so that you can ask your questions as regards any other thing. So let's just quickly show you guys on how to withdraw on this premise. It's very legit, so you can Google more about it to know how it works. So as you can see, I'm having 3,754 in the currency, my currency. So all I just want to teach you guys right now is how to withdraw it. I've already said the withdraw, but if you want to withdraw, the minimum amount for withdraw, it's actually for mobile top up, it's 1,009. So it varies based on your country anyway. It varies based on your country. And if I actually want to get it on my bank account, I think it's 5,500. So as you can see, I press cash out. I have mobile top up. I have two ways to withdraw in my own country. It's via mobile top up and to my Paga account. So I can withdraw it to my Paga account if it is 5,500 and I cashed out. I'm going to cash out live. So what I want to show you guys right now, all you need to do, your hard payment method if you want to set it up. I already have mine set up already, so you just have to hard payment, as you can see. So once you click payment, as it's going there, so you see we have Woko mobile top up, we have Paga Nigeria. As you can see, I've stated all these area is 1,900 and this is as well 5,500. So I'm eligible for just mobile top up because I think the minimum amount is just 1,900. So as you can see, I press the mobile top up, it says put the phone number. So I already have my number already there, so I'm not going to use it. But if this Paga, as you can see, I already have my details on Paga already. So it's very easy and very easy. So it's very simple, it's 100% legit. So all I need to do right now is just to click the mobile top up, then I press confirm. So you can see it's actually loading. It's loading, as you can see. It's as simple as it says what we want to hear from you. Are you enjoying your premise experience? I just give them yes. Yeah, wow, it's nice. So you see it says 3,000 requested. I'm having 754.62. So you can see it says pending. So what's it saying right now? Payment method, mobile top up, mobile. It's a cash amount 3,000, reference not processed. So once it's completely processed, I'm gonna have the money on my line. So it's as simple as that. So as you can see, it says requested. Let me refresh it. It says completed, right? So it means I'm gonna be having the payment soon. So it says mobile top up, reference number. So they've actually paid it to my account, but I've not received, I can't find the money right now, but they said they've paid. Where's the problem coming from? Okay. Okay, let me check this. Oh, okay, I get. Okay, this number that is here is actually on my small phone, and the two sims that I have here is not this number. That's the reason. So I have to go get my small phone and let's just check it so that you see it yourself. So I have to go get it so that you see it yourself. Just hold on. This is actually my small device, so you can see it yourself. I'm having one message already. This is I'm having. So let me show you. Let me just quick password. Very permanent. Can you see? So it's 100% legit. It's legit. It's 100% legit. Okay. So I've actually showed you guys that it's actually legit. So I want to still type star my codes and dial it so that you can see my account balance live that they've credited my line. So you see it's loading. It says you're on Smart Connect and my balance is 3,000. So you can actually use this to subscribe to get your data, and you can use it to browse, make call family and friends. And please, if you found this video interesting, or if there's any way, anytime any of my video has added value to you in any way, please subscribe my channel. That's the way you can encourage me. Please subscribe and share this video, like, drop your comment after you've tried this and give me feedback. So let's keep working out for you guys and bringing more updates for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you.